Hello, this is Peter Buchach with Mentis showing you the medication tab of the Mentis G5 simulator. I have my medications tab open, and if I select aspirin right at the top, I can administer it through oral administration, intravenous bolus injection, or intracardiac bolus injection. I can also change the dose rate by hitting these plus or minus buttons right in dose. I can change the route by selecting the option buttons before selecting administer. At the bottom of the screen we have the log, which shows us the history of what medications had been administered and how. If I choose dopamine, I can administer using an infusion. I can change the concentration relative to the patient's body weight. And I can also change the route as well. So let's choose a intravenous and administer. If you want to discontinue the administration, simply press the discontinue button. Once again, this is Peter Buchach with Mentis showing you the medication tab of the Mentis G5 simulator.